Hello, everybody. My name is Ailuin Peña Torres. I'm a student of Environmental Sanitation Technology at UNAD University of the English 2 course at the SEAD in Vélez Santander in the Central Eastern Zone. And my class group is the number 12. And the situation for today is the next. If you could have any job in the world, which job would you choose? An ambassador, an engineer, a big lawyer, a chef, or any other? Explain. What has been the last job you have had? It was important for you? At some point in my life, I thought if I could have any job in the world, I think I would like to be a pace manager. I think this because I enjoy being an intermediary between other countries or communities. Furthermore, I like meeting and interacting with these people who have conflicts. Second, I like to help resolve their conflicts, and this person believe that I could help them. And we do I think this because in my country we live the war day by day, and I want the war in my country to end. No more war. I don't like war. um, and I would like other people in the world to become intermediaries in the internal war on my country and help in the war. The reasons for wanting to be a base manager or intermediary is because the last job I had was a male nurse in the army, and I have lived through the work in this work is important to me because it can save lives. Well, this is all for today. Thank you for watching this video and bye bye. We will see you a next video. Bye.